What is up, guys? Welcome back. We're going to be doing another video today. Another install on the Wilderness Systems Recon 120. This time, it's going to be part of a series. We're going to motorize this kayak. That's right. And we got it right here. The Wilderness Systems trolling motor mount. Let's get into doing it. Alrighty, guys. So, to start out, let's unbox this real quick. I've already opened it. I've already made a slight modification to it because one needs to be done in order to use a trolling motor with this. But obviously we have our trolling motor mount. We get a bag of hardware here and then some instructions. Now the instructions in here are going to tell you when you can to use a backing plate. We're going to do that, a little DIY backing plate. But other than that, that's all that is in here. Now, let's show you the modification that I had to make. All right, now we're gonna get on to the modification that you need to make in order to make this actually usable. Because, let me flip you around. So here's the trolling motor mount. Now, you're gonna get your mount and you get this one plate here attached to the mount. And the issue that you have with it is it's too thin for your trolling motor to actually be able to screw up to grab onto. So you actually have to add a little bit more thickness here. So my fix for that was I went to Walmart, I got a cutting board, I cut 2 pieces of it, I traced this plate here, cut 2 more, drilled them, and then I just got some extra bolts, washers and nylon or locking nuts, and that was it. So that's all you have to do there. Now it's thick enough we can actually mount the motor there. This is what I use from Walmart for my motor mounts there. Again, Walmart, 10 bucks. Matches absolutely perfect. It's also what I used, if you haven't seen the video for that, in my DIY hull plate to mount my Yak Power switch relay system to, or switch panel system to. That's what I use. So again, Walmart, 10 bucks, great stuff, gonna last you forever, and yeah, that's that. So for the motor mount itself, these are what I used right here. Stainless machine screws. They come 3 in a pack, so I had to get 2 packs because we need 4 screws. I got a couple extras, but this is what I use for the motor mount to add on the extra 2 pieces to the mount itself so that we can accommodate the trolling motor on there so that it actually will fit and tighten up. So there you go. Hopefully you can see that perfectly there. That's exactly what I used. And then while they may not be stainless, these are the locking nuts that I used. Again, you can see on there it says prevents from loosening, and that was the most important thing I wanted to do there. And then I just got a couple other stainless washers for it, but that's it. So those nuts aren't stainless, but I'm not too concerned about that. They're just locking nuts, and you know, they should be all right. All right, we made the modification to our mount. Now we're going to get it in the location where we want it, make sure it's nice and even and straight. And I'm just gonna take a pen. I'm just gonna mark the holes. Then we're just gonna have to drill. We'll run bolts through, and that's going to be it for that step. You can see I marked the 4 spots where I have to drill. So we're going to drill them out, and we're going to get this going. There we go. Holes are drilled. All right, here you go. That is my backing plate. Again, made out of that same cutting board. So now let's get this installed. All right, guys, here you can see it is installed. Solid, absolutely perfect. I'm gonna see if we can get a shot inside here. I don't know if my camera will fit in here. We're gonna try. There you go. You can see the backing plate in there. Looks like it's absolutely perfect. And that is it, mounted. So now we have our motor. This is a Newport Vessels 36-pound trolling motor. We are going to try and get it on here. Even this up a little bit. It's about right there. Just tighten these down. And that's it. Mounted in place. Now, on the next video, we're going to get into doing some modifications to the motor. I'm thinking getting that ready to mount. We're going to remove the head off of this. We have some stuff we're going to do to it. We're going to get rid of this lock, really. Not really necessary, but this is that's it. That's all there is to it. Again, guys, what you want to do is when you do this install, you just want to make sure you try and use a backing plate if at all possible. You saw very easy to make one, a jigsaw cutting board, $10, and you can do multiple things with that. But again, another easy install. This mount isn't just for Wilderness Systems kayaks. It's going to fit a different variety of other kayaks as well, but it fits absolutely perfect here on the Recon 120, obviously made by Wilderness Systems. But like I said, super easy install. Again, all you need really is a jigsaw, a drill, screwdriver, and this is 100% just a done deal. So stay tuned for these other videos coming out. Going to be a lot more coming on this. We're going to be installing steering foot pedals on this because that's how we're going to steer this with. We're going to have to run lines up to them from back here. We're going to have to do some electrical work, but again, this is going to be step one. We got the mount installed and super secure. I mean, I picked up the kayak with this afterwards and just so easy to do, and super sturdy and strong. But great product again from Wilderness Systems. Guys, definitely stay tuned for the next videos that we have coming out. They're going to be good. And I'll see you on the next one. Do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, please. Let's get to 1,000. Let's do this giveaway. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.